Somebody's getting fired right now because there is no way this hair dryer, which is normally $120, is only $45 right now. This is a salon quality hair dryer. It has decreased the time it takes me to dry my hair by at least 50%. It is also a really nice size. It's a lot smaller. It's a lot smaller than my old hair dryer, which I have here for size comparison. And so since it's smaller, it's also way lighter so that my arm does not hurt while I'm drying my hair. It has really good force. I'll show you. I love this hair dryer. It has made drying my hair so much easier. I have a link below. Check out the orange shopping cart if you're interested, especially get it while it's only $45 right now.